Welcome back everyone. This will probably end up being one of the last Snapchat error problems things that I fix in a while, because I think this is the last one that I've actually had to hit on. So this is a very common issue that could not connect when you're logging in, the connection error, Snapchat error that a lot of people get. And believe it or not, this is usually caused by Snapchat's, backend issues for the most part, like 99% of the time. However, just in case it's not, I'll go ahead and show you guys some ways to fix it. But first of all, if it is actually Snapchat's issue or whatever, a great way to tell if it is first of all, are you able to connect to the internet? Are you able to look up images? Are you able to look up whatever? If you are able to look up images and Google around things, then probably it's not a data or network issue. So that's one way to tell. Another way to tell is to search on Twitter if Snapchat is down as trending or if Snapchat is trending or whatever. Then you can usually determine if it's a Snapchat issue that way. Or you can go to the comment section of this video and sort by the latest comments. And if a ton of people are commenting at the same time, Snapchat is down, then most probably Snapchat is down, so you probably have to wait until it fixes. So in that case, there's really nothing you can do to make that process faster. You'll just pretty much have to wait till Snapchat pushes out an update on their end, on their back end, so you'll probably have to wait for that. Now, if for some reason you're seeing none of those issues, if that's for some reason still not happening, what you'll have to do is to make sure you're connected to a good, reliable network, whether that's Wi-Fi or data. Make sure you're getting good speeds. Sometimes if you're on a road trip or something, you can get connected to a tower and then randomly it'll go away, and it's just kind of weird. So if you're logging in and logging out of Snapchat a lot on the road or something, then that's another way, make sure you're connected to a good, reliable network. Another way to fix this potentially is by updating your Snapchat. So whether you're on Android or iOS or whatever, you want to make your way over to your app store. You want to go into the search bar, or you can just go through all your apps. And over here it's taking quite a while to load for some reason, I don't know why. And there we can go, you just search up Snapchat or whatever, it doesn't really matter. And right there you can go and tap on Snapchat, and as you can see I do have an update. So make sure you're on one of the newest versions of the update, that way you can be guaranteed that's probably not a Snapchat app issue, it's probably their backend server issue. So after this, I would recommend trying it. If you're still able to try it and if you're successfully able to go through, then you're set. If you're not able to go through, I would recommend deleting the Snapchat app and then reinstalling it. Usually that would probably fix it. I would say 99% of the time that actually fixes these issues. However, if that still doesn't fix it, I would recommend turning off your phone, turning it on, and then reinstalling Snapchat and seeing if that works. If that still doesn't work, I'll be honest, it might just actually be a server issue. You might have just not realized it. Or you might just be one of the first people that realized it, and you'll have to wait until it starts trending or whatever for Snapchat to fix it. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.